to my channel. So we stopped, the last video stopped when we created the category, the product category column. But we were trying to make model driven app, and we were uploading this Excel to Dataverse. So we stopped on the last video where we created the product category. Remember the product category column that we did? Look up to the product category table that we did earlier. So we'll continue, we'll move to the next column. So the next column on this Excel that we are looking at is the column now. Let's create the column. You can subscribe to my channel for you to get more tips on your uh, final challenge for the Microsoft Powerup program. So we want to create the new column, and this video is is being broken down into 10 minutes. So you need to subscribe for you to get the next video as it drops. So we want to create the color column now. So for the color column, we what we are going to do is, because the same way the way the product category is also that we have different categories, sneakers, heels, and the like. So for the color too, we have several as white, black, blue. So we are going to make it as, for the color, we won't create a table for the color, but we'll make it as choice. So yeah, it's going to be choice. It's not going to be lookup. So we are going to look up to a choice. I will teach you how to create the choice. Not table really. We don't really call it table. So after we pick choice, so let's just go. Though I have existing color choice, I have some choice. I have existing color choice. See, but for the, so that I could you could just understand how to create it on your own. So I'm going to pick new choice. So despite that, this color, but we'll call it color white. So the display name will be color white. Then we'll have different colors. So let's start with white and new choice. Oh, sorry, white. Then apologies, my system is acting up a bit. Okay, so new choice. We've put the first one is white. So let's do black. Then new choice red. Then new choice. I think what other color do we have here? Gold. So we're just going to gold. We're just going to, so afterwards we save. So we're just going to, for the benefits of this training, just leave it as just four colors. Then you can continue on your own and put in all the colors that exist. I think there are about 9 of them. Beige, gray, beige, gray, green, blue. So you can just continue on your own. But okay, so I said earlier that I have a lot of this column already saved on my system, so that is why it's not allowing it. So let's just say color white now for this. The choice that we made, it didn't save, so we are repeating that again. Color white, so white, yeah, red, black. I think that should do. So let's save that. Okay, color white it too. So now we said, so we had to um sorry, I want to go up so that you can understand better. So we said this should look up to choice. So we will now pick the choice that it should look up to here. So sync with, remember the name of our choice is color white. So we saved that out of color white then. So let's just go with color white. So then we ask it to save. So afterwards, while that it's saving, let's look at the next column that we're going to. Then the price, size, the quantity, target quantity. So the next we are doing is we're doing the price. So this should have saved by now. Yes, this is the color white now. So we have the column for color. So let's go further. We want to create the size column. So that should be let's just leave it single line of text. Don't let us bother with it being number. Okay, then we can pick number. We can pick it as number. Mm, it's a whole number. A whole number. So save it. The size is whole number. Then so the next is price. The next column we want to do is price. That's whole number also. The price is whole number. Then you say. So the next one we have is a quantity stock, target stock, then image. So quantity. It should be that should be okay. That's also number and is whole number. Okay. Then the target, and that's also whole number. Let me see. So so the next part is image where we are going to put the images. So image, the item image. So here we are picking instead of for the data type here, we'll pick image, we'll pick file image. Um, okay, file. Let me save that. Also, okay. So the next thing we are doing now, we are going to the view. We want to work on the view of this. So we'll go to the active show stock so that we can publish it. If you do a table and you don't publish, you won't be able to use it. So you click on that. So for the view, so the things that we want to see. So we would like to see the title. That's there already. We want to see the title. We don't want created on. Let's remove that. Please let us put this side by side so that we can see everything that we want to see. So from we want the title, then the product name. We want to see the product name, the product number, the product category. Just as you're clicking, okay, let me maximize that so you can see as we're clicking on them, it's coming up. So product category, color. I want to see the color, the price, size, quantity, price, size, the quantity, then the target, then the image. I think image is the last one. So after that, uh,